Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make video slow motion in Davinci Resolve. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To make video slow motion, make sure you are in the Edit tab and that you have the video added to the timeline. All you need to do now is right click on the video clip and then choose Change Clip Speed. Look for the speed box and you can decrease this percentage to make your video slow motion. Bear in mind that this will make your clip longer, so you might want to check it doesn't overlap any other clips in your timeline. Once you're happy, click on Change in the bottom right of this window and you can watch your slow motion video. And so that is how to make video slow motion in Davinci Resolve. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.